Hello everyone, glad to share you with our D-2 series LED street light. This product uses a pure die casting aluminum heatsink, and the LED chip is Philips SMD3030, and the driver inside is manual driver. We offer 6 years warranty for this product, so if the lamp fails in warranty, we will send you free replacement. And the lens is PMMA. With adjustable slip filter, so you can install the lamp horizontal or vertical. The cable is standard 3-core cable. It's waterproof IP66. And we can add the photo sensor here and the motion sensor here. Now I will turn on the light. Would you be interested in more information? Welcome to contact us. Thank you.